Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the environment. Confirm your headset, controllers, and tracking are calibrated, then enable developer mode so you can modify the world directly. Once done, connect via USB or Wi-Fi and mount the project folder so files are editable. Make a backup labeled V1. Zero immediately and set a safe play boundary to prevent accidental collisions. Now open the world editor, import the first asset pack, and place a simple marker to verify edits show up in real time. You continue by implementing the middle layer systems that make the world behave. Start with physics and colliders, add LODs, and reduce mesh and texture complexity to hit performance targets. Then attach interaction scripts and choose an authority model so you know which machine governs state. Use client prediction to mask latency. Once done, configure networking, host, peer, or cloud, and run latency and state sync tests, watching for desyncs. Make incremental commits so you can revert after each successful test run. You finish by exporting the final build, setting access permissions, and publishing to your distribution or cloud environment with a release tag. Then enable analytics and crash reporting to gather real-world telemetry and open a feedback channel so users can report issues. Make a hotfix pipeline and a clear rollback plan in case of failure. If things go wrong, the critical tip is to revert to the last working tag, reproduce the bug locally, and push a minimal hotfix. Don't redeploy wide fixes without verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.